Here we are, back in New Hampshire at the end of 3 days of rain. Seems that the critters are gone. The 8-foot plank is now taking a drink. It's getting rinsed off on both sides. Gonna have to uncover these 3 pipe. Ream them out. Get that beaver debris out of the pipe. The water should be going in the pipe, not over the pipe. This is a late spring runoff. May 25th. (2026). I don't see any ripples out there. Not even a duck swimming out there this morning. Hemlocks look like they'll be staved from getting chewed to the ground. Yeah, we got bluebird skies today. That's all we got for today. Talk to you later.